Hey foodie friends, are you as obsessed with Trader Joe's cauliflower rice products as I am? I get a couple bags every single time I do one of my Trader Joe's hauls. I included them in one of my recent videos for Trader Joe's must-buy items, and today I'm going to take you through each variety that I get every time I go shopping at Trader Joe's. And so that's going to include the riced cauliflower bowl, the cauliflower stir fry from Trader Joe's, the frozen cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's, and the cauliflower stuffing rice, or cauliflower riced stuffing, which is so delicious and tastes like Thanksgiving every time I eat it. So join me in the kitchen today as I take you behind the scenes and show you some of the recipes that I'm making using Trader Joe's cauliflower rice, and share with you the different varieties you should look out for when you go shopping at Trader Joe's. So let's get in the kitchen and do it. So you know that I share so many stir fry recipes, and I love using this little quick trick by starting with their riced cauliflower stir fry and mixing it with whatever fresh produce I have at home. This one used kale and fresh avocado. This particular bag of frozen cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's comes with peas and onions and corn, so it adds a lot of flavor, and it has some of its own spices and sauce in there too. Don't skip out on this delicious stuffing flavored Trader Joe's riced cauliflower. It's so delicious. It's sweet and has some onion and leeks in it. It's really good and really reminds me of Thanksgiving. And last but not least, of course, the organic riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's. So what should you use it in? Here are just some other Trader Joe's recipes that I'm cooking up in my kitchen, and you can find here on the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel and at sipbitego.com. I make a lot of stir fries, and I also make meatballs with their delicious cauliflower stir fry rice. It's so good, and I love eating these for work from home snacks. So subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube for more delicious ideas using Trader Joe's products. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!